Alright, New Zealand Swiss pre-trade analysis. Looking at this, I zoom back out. I have this big channel I've been watching. Just channeling up. It just hit the channel, probe back in, took out the guy who started right here. So buys, took out the guy who started, so there's some trapped buyers in here. And currently, we're coming back to that area, so it'd be like a set 1, set 2, all in phase for this. So what I see is these guys were trapped down, hold here, coming up for a price, couldn't go anywhere, coming up, see if we can get a better price, get the buyers interested, come back in, kind of a probe, taking this down for some sells. I could go down a lower time frame. So right now we're currently in a money spot because these guys are definitely saying buys. These guys are trapped. This big boy is saying sells at the top of this range. Volume at the top up here. Volume on this push down. There is some volume here in front of me, but not comparable to this. So buys and sells. So we will update and see. Currently this is pretty strong. I need this to do a little rollover, something similar to this. We'll see. Alright, on this time frame, set 1, set 2, couldn't make a higher high. Trend pullback failure, took out the guy who started. This big move still could get a better, trying to get a better price from this area or this area, because this is the guy who started him, so we broke him, so we could, we'll more likely see a reaction from this. If we get a little range, I'll enter. I don't think I'm just going to enter if it comes up here. I'd like to see a little fighting in this area, so we'll see. It's Friday, getting later in the day, so we'll see how this goes. No. I hit the wrong button. Yeah, I meant to hit the stop record button, but I hit this sell button and just lost a little bit of capital. Not much, but damn it. Slow down. I guess that's what I get for having that up on the screen when it's not ready. Alright, so maybe that trend pullback failure isn't happening. Looks like we're making higher highs, so this may be a no-go. I cannot believe I hit that trade execution button. What do you do? Alright, quick update. Yeah, this sucker's going, making new highs, taking out the guy who started. So, as far as what I was thinking, poke out, taking out this guy. Yeah, you know, that was against the flow. I was looking at this channel that I drew. So, man, I still can't believe I hit that execution button. Just means I need to slow down, but yeah, this is, even if this comes back, I won't have a good entry anyway, so this one's done for the day.